Here's a look from Newfound Gap Road towards the Chimney Tops. We are actually heading to the Chimney Tops Trailhead. The trail used to go, from what I imagine, I believe it went up to those rocks right there. But since the fires of a couple years ago, which started on one of the chimneys around here, although they later found that many fires ended up happening, the rocks are too unstable for people to climb on like previously, so they don't let people up to that portion anymore. They have built a new end to the trail. Alright, well, I did make it. Can't say the same about Jess just yet. I'm not sure how far back she is. That was just quite a climb. This is pretty much the toughest singular climb in the Smokies as far as steepness. Even though, I mean, there are some that are higher elevation gain. This one rivals the gain of a lot of Rocky Mountain trails. So, and just after I taped that, Jess made it. So she's here just before the rain. As long as Jess beat the rain by a little bit. Mount Leconte, the most prominent mountain here in the Smokies. Covered by a tree and storm clouds, which it seems to generate, especially when we're around. We're going to walk down to take a look at the actual chimneys that give the Chimney Tops their name. I'm going to try not to stray too close to the edge. The trail used to go all the way out there, and people used to be able to climb up on the rock outcropping. But this is where the fires pretty much started in 2016, the Gatlinburg fires. And all that is burnt right there, and they've determined that it's not safe for people to go any further because the ground is not stable enough. But let me be clear, even though it's disappointing that one of the signature parts of the national park is closed and may not be open for a long time, you're still not shortchanged on this trail. This trail has awesome creek views, just perfectly picturesque, pastoral woods views. Reminds me of DuPont State Forest, except for a higher elevation. The vegetation's different, but just that organized, clean look to it was great. And then you get the really stunning vistas here, so deep in the heart of the Smokies. So it's a good trail, hard trail, but a good trail.